So this section is dealing with landscaping. So when you're working with landscaping, often you have to mix different amounts of fertilizers. So fertilizers contain different chemical elements. So for example, this one, a plant fertilizer, has a nitrogen, phosphoric acid, and potash (NPK). So next time you're in the hardware store, just have a look and you can see like fall fertilizer has a different ratio than plant fertilizer, than spring fertilizer. And so there's reasons for that. It's just they found which composition, which ratio works best at different times of the season or different types of plants. So let's just set this all up. So we've got 14:14:12. And I'm going to write the letters underneath it. So we've got nitrogen N, we got P for phosphoric acid, and K for potash. Now I'm going to keep reading. If a bag of fertilizer contains 21 kilograms of nitrogen, so that's a comparative, not a prorated. It's not a total. So I'm ready to just go equals now. So I got to make sure I put in the 21 in the right spot. It goes with nitrogen. Nitrogen was the first spot. So I'm going to put 21 here. So that means I'm solving for the other two. So phosphoric acid, I'm going to put P, I don't know. And for a potash, K, I don't know. So this is just a comparative question. You've done this many times already. You're going to set it up. So first with first, second with second, third with third. And just start doing your fractions. So let's start making these fractions. So we've got, remember, you can only have one letter. So I'm working with the 14 over 21. So that's perfect. And then we've got 14 over P. So that's solving for that one. And then I'm going to rewrite the 14 over 21. And then I'm going to work with 12 over K. Now, if you're clever, you could see that it's 14:14. So that actually means that since nitrogen and the phosphoric acid are the same ratio, they have to be the same amount. But let's just see what happens. So we're going to work this out. So I should get an answer of the same answer as 21. So we've got 14p equals 14 times 21, 14 times 21, 294. And then, of course, you're dividing by 14, and you're going to get back to 21 again. Okay, so we've got 21 kilograms of potash. So let's work with the other one. We got 14K, so this is the potash. So 21 times 12. So we've got 252. Then I'm going to divide by 14. And the amount of potash I have is 18 kilos. And it's always nice for you to write the actual amount that you're working with or write a therefore statement. Um, Either one is fine. And that's it. And that's pretty much it. So just realize if you're working with a comparative or prorated question.